So why are people paying so much money for these properties that are in this bad a condition? Well, it all comes down to cash flow. Because even though you might overpay for a property in a good market, you might overpay for that property, but as long as the rent is high enough that you still have good cash flow, that's what you want to get. That's why I love investing in Akron, Ohio. You can get properties for relatively low price and high rent at the same time. Both of those together equal a high return. So that's why I love to invest in Akron. In the next several weeks, I'm going to be demoing my business systems that I use to keep organized. So stay tuned for future videos from the Compulsive Investor channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe.